Big boost to India's fight to rein in Khalistani terror groups fomenting trouble in Polban, Punjab. Jaswinder Singh Multani, a member of the banned separatist outfit Sikhs for Justice, has been detained in Germany. Multani is alleged to be a key plotter of 23rd December Ludhiana court blast. He also is behind deliveries of tranches of improvised explosive devices from Pakistan through drones. Multani was also planning to target Delhi and Mumbai through terror strikes. 45-year-old Jaswinder Singh Multani is believed to be a close associate of SFJ founder Gurpatwant Singh Pannu. Multani has allegedly conspired to kill farmer leader Balbir Singh Rajewal at Singhu border during the farmers' protests. He's also allegedly radicalized Jeevan Singh to kill Rajewal. Jeevan was arrested even before he could procure arms for the killing. There have been recent FIRs against Multani in Firozpur, Amritsar, Taran districts of Punjab. The input on Multani was shared by Punjab Police based on human intelligence. This was shared by Punjab Police with central agencies. Kamaljeet is now joining us live. Kamaljeet, it's a big terror catch that is coming in, and Jaswinder Multani's role in Ludhiana blast, if you could just walk our viewers through all the allegations and what next.
Well, the blast took place on the 23rd of December, and there have been links which have been made to Jaswinder Singh Multani. He's a 45-year-old from Hoshiarpur, and sources have been telling us that he's been closely associated with SFJ, which is Sikh for Justice, and is a close aide of Gurpatwant Singh Pannu. Now, this is under UAPA. This has been a lawful association declared by the MHA. But what is significant is that he is being said to be involved with explosives coming in. He was very active in online radicalization. And there have been certain links in the past few cases, especially the ones in Amritsar, in Firozpur, in Taran. Fresh FIRs have been lodged against him. And now they believe, especially the Punjab police sources indicating to us, that he may be involved. Now, this is based on human intelligence. There is also indication that they are trying to locate whether any sort of phone calls was made. Especially, there is input that this entire conspiracy was planned inside Ludhiana jail. And they believe that the phone calls were made, and it was made using dongle and Wi-Fi. How it went to Ludhiana jail is one part. The other is how they're linking it with Germany. They're saying these investigations are in the initial stage. Several of these inputs were shared with RAW as well as central agencies who, however, got in touch with Germany. They've acted upon. There's been interrogation which has taken place. He's under huge scanner as far as agencies are concerned. More inputs are suspected. But remember, this could just be the tip of the iceberg, because ahead of Punjab polls in 2022, sources indicate to us that there is a major conspiracy which is now being unraveling by Punjab police, that there could be more possible such attacks which could take place. And they're trying their best to preempt and prevent these kind of conspiracies from taking place.
Absolutely. Thanks, Kamaljeet, for bringing our viewers up to speed with the very latest developments on this.